So in this video, we're taking the second problem related to what double integration or double integral. So here we are having what two variables will be involved, x and y. So which one should be taken first? Which one should be considered for the difference integration first? Okay, that is a question. Now here first comes what dy. So what will the limit, whether this one or this one? See, the thing is that there is internal and external thing, or inner and outer, right? So the inside part, the internal thing will be considered the limit for what? Dy, because dy comes first. So here this is the internal thing. So what is outside then? For dx, the limits will be what? The outside part. Always remember. If dx is sitting outside, the outside part will be the limits. Now here in this particular thing, we can rewrite it as what? How to rewrite this? Let me just name this as I, okay? And integration of first is considered what? Dx. So the x, in place of x, I am going to substitute 0 as well as 1, right? The second limits will be for the y is equal to x and y is equal to root x, right? Because dx is the inner part, and then the function comes x square plus y square, then dx and dy. Simple. Okay, now we are going to integrate. So I have to do the integration with respect to what? Y first, because y comes first here. That is the inner part. First inner part, then we'll go for the outer part. So let us do the integration part. So it becomes what? X equal to 0 to x equal to 1 remains as it is. Then integration of x square. See here, dy is there. So that means integration with respect to y, what happens then? X square is treated as what? Constant. So since x square is constant, it will be multiplied with what? Y. Simple. What logic I am applying here? Whenever you are getting, suppose integration of k dx is there, and one more integration of k dy is there. Okay. Now if this constant, this particular constant, okay, any constant, it can be other variable also it is considered as constant. For example, if I say z here, or p, q, r, s, t, whatever variable, suppose y is sitting in place of k, that is considered as constant. So constant will be multiplied with what? X, then plus c. Okay, what about this? K is treated as constant here. Here the result will be k into y plus c. Simple. The same logic here. So with respect to y we are integrating, so this case we have to consider. So it has been multiplied with y. Simple concept. Then plus y square, we know integration is what? Y power 3 by 3. Which formula we are applying? Integration of x power n dx is equal to what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this particular formula we are applying. The same concept here. Next. So what will be the limits now? So limit becomes what? Y is equal to x and y is equal to root x, right? And dx is sitting outside. So let us now apply the limits. That is the thing we have to do. So remember, wherever y is sitting, we have to substitute that particular thing. So I value becomes, so integration of x equal to 0 to 1 will remain as it is. Then inside we have to substitute what? Upper limit will substitute. So what happens? X square into root x plus root x power 3 by 3. This is upper limit minus lower limit. Now you have to substitute x, right, in place of y. So x square into x plus x cube by 3. We have to do the simplification here. So it becomes integration of x equal to 0 to 1 as it is. Now we have to simplify this. So here x square into x power 1 by 2 plus root x power 3. What's the meaning of that? Root x into root x into root x. Root x into root x is what? X. Then one more root x has come. Now this particular root x can be written as what? 1 by 3. So x into x power 1 by 3. Okay. So x into x power 1 by 3. Okay. Y divided by 3 minus, here it will be x cube. Okay, that is fine. Minus x cube by 3. And this particular thing dx. Again simplification we have to do. So I becomes Now here, x square into x power 1 by 2. See, base is same, powers can be added. So 2 plus 1 by 2 is what? 5 by 2. So x power 5 by 2 plus here x power 1 is there. So 1 plus 1 by 2 is what? 3 by 2. So x power 3 by 2 by 3 minus. Now here x cube and x cube both are same. So if I write it as 1 and multiply here 3 and 3, it becomes 3 minus 1 is what? Sorry, minus 3 minus 1 is what? Minus 4. So minus 4 x cube by 3. I have just taken the LCM, okay, dx. Now I will apply the second limit or the second integration. With respect to x, we have to integrate now. So as we know that simple integration we are going to do x power anything. What formula we are going to apply? Integration of x power n will be what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here it will be x power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus here again x 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay, and one more 3 is sitting, so I will write this 1 by 3. Then next minus 4 by 3, I will take it outside. Then it will be x cube is x power 4 by 4. Then the limits will come. The limits here it is x equal to 0 to x equal to 1. Now we have to do first a simplification, then we will substitute the values. Okay, so it becomes x power 5 by 2 plus 1 is what? 7 by 2. 7 by 2 by 7 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into this becomes x power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. Then here it will become 4 and 4 cancel, x power 4 by 3. So now what we are going to do, we are going to apply the upper limit first, then lower limit. Okay, so upper limit, what happens, in place of x I have to substitute 1, so it will be 1 power 7 by 2 by 7 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into 1 power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 minus 1 power 4 by 3, then minus the lower limit. So 0 I have to apply. So 0 into anything it will be 0. So since here if we look 0, so if I substitute 0 over here, this entire thing is 0. Okay, next here also 0 means this entire thing is 0, and again here also 0, entire thing is 0. So no need to mention about what 0 thing. So only upper limit is applicable here. So the simplified form becomes what? 1 power anything is what? 1 itself. So 7 by 2 is sitting down, it will go up, it will become 2 by 7. Okay, that is done. Then 1 power anything is 1 only. 5 by 2 if it goes up, it will become what? It becomes 2 by 5, then minus 1 by 4. So the answer for the double integration of the following equation is given by 3 by 35.